I love to do arts and crafts, but I hate the mess it makes, so I was thankful when this desktop vacuum cleaner was sent to me to try out. As a mini vacuum cleaner, it's supposed to help me clean my craft table off scraps, dust, glitter, debris, and other particles in a very convenient way. So let's open it up and take a look at it. The vacuum cleaner comes with a few parts and accessories, so let's take them all out and then we'll take a look at everything. First things first is the actual vacuum cleaner itself. It's pretty compact and fits right in the palm of my hand with soft bristles on the bottom so it won't scratch up your table surface when using it. And the great thing about this vacuum cleaner is that it's rechargeable with a USB cable so I don't have to worry about replacing the batteries. Around front is the power button. Now let's open up the vacuum cleaner. Inside there's a little filter and it's great to see that they actually give you a spare replacement filter. And now let's take a look at all the accessories. First up, we have a USB-C charging cable, which is not very long but will be perfect for my setup because I have a little shelf right below my power outlet. So what I want to do right away is to charge up the little vacuum cleaner. And once plugged in, there's a little red light from the port that illuminates, signaling that it is in charging mode. So I'll leave it to charge and come back in my next video to test out the vacuum cleaner. In the meantime, I also want to mention that the desktop vacuum cleaner also comes with a suction nozzle for corners and crevices. It also comes with a tiny little cleaning brush, which I would use to help clean out the filter. And of course, there's an instruction manual as well.